I see the tears you've hidden in the dark, the silent cries, the sleepless nights, the repeated questions in your heart. God, do you hear me? I was there. In every moment you thought I was silent, I was working. Not a single tear of yours has been forgotten. Not a single pain was wasted. I know how hard you've tried to keep going, how often you smiled through brokenness. You've been strong, but you're also weary. And today I come to remind you, this is not the end. This is the beginning of beauty, true beauty that rises from ashes, from pain, from the places where hope seemed lost. I didn't call you to try harder. I called you to rest, to lay your burdens down at my feet. When you feel invisible in a noisy world, remember, I see every movement in your soul. I am writing a new chapter for you, not one built by human strength, but one written by eternal love. The old things are passing away. You've endured, you've grown, you've changed. Now is the moment to rise again in new light. I'm not just renewing your outer image, I'm renewing your heart, softening the places that hardened, healing the wounds you forgot you carried. I know your heart has wavered in the waiting, but you have no idea how beautiful the things I've prepared for you truly are. If you could glimpse what's coming, tears would fall, not from grief, but from overwhelming joy. Doors that were once shut will open, not because you kept knocking, but because I hold the key. Let me be the center of your life, not an addition. Don't just invite me into the living room of your soul. Give me the entire house. Let me enter the dark rooms too, the ones you've locked out of fear or shame. That's where I want to build something eternal. There are people around you drowning in hopelessness, and I want to use you to shine my light. You are not perfect, but you have experienced my presence, and that's enough to become living proof of my power. Don't underestimate yourself. I chose you, not because you were impressive, but because I love you. When you show mercy, when you serve others, I multiply what you have. No act of kindness is wasted, no prayer is lost. When you seek me first, everything else will be added to you in time. Even if everyone else walks away, I remain. When betrayal cuts deep, remember that I am faithful and true. When your heart is confused, return to my word. That's where clarity begins. You don't need to understand everything to trust me. Walk by faith, one step at a time. Don't wait to see the whole road. Just walk, and I will light the next step. In the desert, I will provide streams. In the night, I'll be your fire. In the silence, I'll whisper to your heart. I see you as a trailblazer for the next generation, a heart healer, a prayer warrior, a storm survivor. And what I do through your life will echo beyond your lifetime, because it brings eternal fruit. You were never made to just survive. You were made to reflect my image, an image of kindness, peace, and heavenly glory. Not because everything is perfect, but because you know who you belong to. I am the one who created the universe, and I am also the one restoring you day by day. You are not meant to live small. You are meant to live full. I am breathing new life into you. Your beauty doesn't come from appearances, titles, or approval. It comes from my light rising within you. This is the beginning of beauty, and it starts now, right where you are. I am doing a new thing, and you will see it. If this message has touched your heart, leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more divine messages like this. You are not forgotten. You are not forsaken. I am doing something new. And you, yes, you, are living proof of that. This is the beginning of beauty, and it begins in you.